Wash days doesn't have to be stressful, tiring, or exhausting. I know it can feel like a lot sometimes, but the truth is, it doesn't have to be complicated to be effective. That is why in this video, I'm breaking down the simple but powerful steps that has helped me master my natural hair wash days with less breakage and tangles. So if that's what you're interested in seeing, definitely keep on watching and let's dive right in. Before anything else, always pre-poo. You want to start on dry hair and apply light oil, olive oil, argan oil or any oil of your choice. Today I'm using this Do Grow Stimulating Hair Oil. This is a multi-purpose oil and you want to make sure you apply this focusing on your hair strands. So this helps protect your hair from moisture loss during shampooing. Next is to properly saturate the hair with water. So you want to stand under the shower and make sure you drench your hair in water. Then follow up with a slippery conditioner to help soften your strands and make detangling easier. I always finger detangle first to gently remove any knots, then follow with a wide tooth comb or detangling brush if needed. Washing your hair in sections prevents unnecessary tangles, makes each step more manageable, and ensures every strand gets the love it needs. This is one of the most underrated wash day hacks. After detangling, step 2 is to rinse, saturate, and shampoo with lukewarm water. Before you shampoo, properly saturate your hair with water. This helps loosen dirt and product buildup, making shampoo more effective. Rinse out the conditioner and make sure your strands are soaking wet. So you want to use lukewarm water, not hot, not cold. Lukewarm water opens the hair cuticle just enough to cleanse the scalp and shaft without causing dryness or damage. When shampooing, choose a moisturizing, sulfate-free shampoo. So using a moisturizing shampoo makes wash days much easier. It helps cleanse without stripping your hair's natural oils, leaving your strands soft and manageable. Keep in mind your shampoo should aid your wash days and not break it. So use whatever works best for your hair. Step 3. Condition. Conditioning is a step you can never skip. It is essential. After rinsing out your shampoo, apply a rich, nourishing conditioner from roots to ends. This helps restore moisture and elasticity. Another thing I sometimes do is to add oils to my conditioner. This helps boost the conditioner moisturizing properties and leaves my hair feeling softer and more nourished. After application, you want to let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes, especially if you're using a deep conditioner. Use one that truly works for your hair. Not all conditioners are created equally. Find one that gives your hair that soft, buttery feeling after rinsing out. Step 4 after conditioning is final detangle. Since we did most of the work earlier, this should be super easy and quick. This step ensures that any small tangles or knots that's formed during shampooing or like conditioning are gently removed. So you want your hair to be completely tangle free before styling. This helps prevent breakage during the week and makes your hair easier to manage between wash days. Step 5 is to rinse with cool water. So after detangling tangling and conditioning, you want to rinse your hair with cool water because this helps seal the cuticle, lock in moisture, and adds a natural shine to the hair. It is a small but powerful step that helps your results last longer. Step 6 is to apply leave-in oils or butters. While your hair is still damp, apply a leave-in conditioner. This gives long-lasting moisture and helps with definition and manageability. And seal everything in with a lightweight oil or a rich hair butter, whichever one your hair loves the most. This combo helps lock in hydration, prevent dryness, and sets your strands up for a great styling week. Now, step 7, which is protect or maintain. Now that your hair is clean, moisturized, and detangled, how you finish your wash days also matters. So one hack I love, especially when I'm not ready to style yet, is to section my hair into 2 to 4 little pigtails. This helps keeps my hair tangle free and let it retain moisture until I am ready to style later. But if you're ready to style now, go ahead and put your hair into a low tension protective style. The goal here is to protect your strands, reduce manipulation, and keep all that moisture locked in. That is basically it. Your full wash day routine made easy. No more tangling, breakage, and no more being overwhelmed. And remember, consistency is key, and keeping things simple sometimes is the best care you can give your hair. Let me know in the comments how you simplify your wash days or which of these tips helped the most. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more natural hair content, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.